In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money with Sendwave. Whether you're sending support to family or paying someone abroad, I'll walk you through each tap so you feel confident from start to finish. First, open your Sendwave app. Make sure you're using the official app and that your internet connection is stable. If you've just updated the app, give it a second to load everything properly. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in method and, for security, never share your login codes with anyone. If you have biometric sign-in enabled, that can make this step faster. Once you land on the dashboard, you can start sending money. This home screen is where you'll see your recent activity, available destinations, and any helpful notices. From here, tap recipient to pick who you're sending to. If your recipient is already saved, select them. If not, you'll be guided to add their details. You'll be prompted to select payment method for how the recipient will receive the funds. Choose the option that fits their country and preference. Then click on bank transfer if that's what they'll use. This tells Sendwave the payout route on their side. Enter full name exactly as it appears on the recipient's banking records. Accuracy here prevents delays. Then enter mobile number associated with the recipient and retype mobile number to confirm there are no typos. Small mistakes in numbers are a common cause of failed transfers, so take a second to double check. When you're satisfied, click on Save to store the recipient details. Now click on Continue to Send. If you haven't set up how you'll pay yet, you'll be prompted to add a payment method. Click on Debit or Credit Card to fund your transfer with a card. Carefully enter card details, ensuring the number, expiration date, and security code are correct. When prompted, enter billing address, zip code, city, and state, exactly as they appear on your card's billing statement. Mismatched billing information can cause declines. Then click on Continue. You'll now choose payment method from the options you've added. Select your card, review the transfer summary, and make sure everything looks right, including recipient details and any costs shown. When you're ready, click on Continue to Send. As a final step, click on Confirm Transfer. Keep the app open until you see confirmation. You'll usually receive a notification when the transfer is processing or complete. That's it. Simple, secure, and done with Sendwave.